Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the wallpaper section, so simply enter. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from live wallpapers, from Google Photos, which is actually your own gallery, or the regular defaultly installed wallpapers. So let me pick this option, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from, but be aware that they will be available only if you will have the internet connection. Here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and as you can see, you can choose the wallpapers from My Photos, so if you've changed your mind, you can always enter your gallery. We've got some on-device wallpapers, which are defaultly installed ones, and as I said, if you will have the internet connection, you will be able to pick something from those albums. So let me, for example, enter the landscapes, why not? And as you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So all you have to do in order to set the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately appears right here, almost on the full screen. Here you can check the home screen preview or the lock screen, so you can decide how it will look like. You can of course change the position of the photo if you want to. What's more, here we've got this strange arrow icon, so after tapping on it, you will be able to change the position. After turning it off, you won't be able to do that. You can also zoom in or zoom out the photo. Of course, it's really up to you how you want to set it, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon. And right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the information, so let's get back, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.